I'm kind of giving Whitney Houston, I want to dance with somebody video type of vibes. Like, y'all let me know, am I giving that? Is it in my head? I'm feeling a little Whitney right now, okay? A little old school Whitney. Y'all let me know if it's giving it.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine. But every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water-bearer sign, but all the elements live rent-free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some major.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished out in this unit, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this wig, then please continue to watch. I feel like it's been so long since I filmed, I don't even know what I say. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking right now was sent to me by Ally Grace. Shout out to you, Ally Grace, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking is the 13x4 lace front Jerry curly wig, reddish brown, dark auburn color, affordable price for sale. That's like all of the name, y'all. All of those things are in the name. So this unit is available in 14 to 30 inches. As I stated, it's a 13x4. It says the hair texture is curly hair. The color is 33, reddish brown color. 14-30 inches is the lengths that are available. It's an average cap size, 150% density. It says it has baby hair all around the perimeter. I did not utilize any baby hair. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs that I have right here. They sent me 22 inches. So that is the length that they sent me. Okay, so with this unit, it is a Jerry curly texture. If you guys know me, you know I love a good Jerry curly wig. Right now, I didn't apply any product to this wig because I was kind of going for that bushy sort of look. I don't know I go through phases. So right now I'm in the bushy phase, okay? I'm in the bushy phase. But if you wanted to have more of a sleek sort of look, that wet look or that curly certain look, all you have to do is apply water and some Cantu curling mousse and you can get that as well as this. So it just depends on the look you're going for, and that's what I love about these type of units, that they are super versatile, where you can wear them bushy and big like I'm wearing it right now, or you can wear it sleek and curly or whatever the style you're going for, you can kind of achieve it with these sort of units. Now, as far as tweezing, I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. I didn't even bleach the knots on this unit whatsoever. Like, what you see is what you get. Old girl, she woke up like this, okay? I didn't touch her. I just put old girl on my head. That is it. That is all. As far as shedding and tangling, straight out of packaging, it really didn't even tangle. With Nigerian curly wigs, they don't really tangle like my kinky curly or my deep curl or deep wave or whatever. They don't really do that. So that is another thing that I really like about the Jerry curly units. I'm pretty sure at some point old girl would do some of the things, okay? But straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things. So that is always a plus to me. Yeah, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. But I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that. I did have to adjust the straps. So when I have to adjust the straps, then I deem a unit to be big head friendly. But like I said, I only have the head that is on my shoulders, girl. Okay, so you can do with that what you want to do with that. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. I'll go ahead and just kind of show you guys the hairline or whatever, because I don't think I showed y'all. I did decide to do the comb over method with this wig because I like that's the sort of vibe I was going for. But it is a 13x4, so you can part it in the middle, you can part it to the left, you can part it to the right. It just depends on where you want it to go. And if you don't want it to go nowhere, and you just want to comb it over like I did, you can just do that. So that also does offer a lot of versatility as well. So that is it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with my cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit, say it with me for the people in the back, is the fact this is 13x4. I don't know what's going on, but it's hard to come by 13x6. Okay, when you come by 13x6, you like, hey, because they're really hard to come by these days. So my con is that it's a 13x4. My pros is, first of all, I love this texture. I love this bushy look. I love this color. Like, this color has been my color this year. Like, I feel like I have a million wigs in this color. It's just my go-to right now, okay? Now, when spring hit, then I'm going to be rocking the blondes, okay? Because you guys know I love a good blonde in the spring. But when it's the colder months, the fall and the winter, this is my go-to. And this year, I have definitely been rocking it more than anything. So, those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would recommend this wig because I really don't feel like it's a lot of work. Not that it's super beginner friendly because a lot of frontals are not, but as far as you don't have, I didn't bleach it, I didn't have to tweeze it, and I feel like it still looks good. It's giving, to me, I'll keep looking in the mirror, it's giving me Penny vibes. Like back when I used to wear Penny, even the half wig Penny. Do y'all remember Penny? Y'all remember Penny? My girls that rock the synthetic, because you remember Penny. Like, it's giving me that sort of vibe, and I really love that. So, yes, I would definitely recommend this wig. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to give you guys a full 360 and a lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am feeling it. Sound off down below in the comments. I really, really do appreciate it. Once again, shop you, Ally Grace, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely got every style.